beauties, welcome back to another video. This video right here is going to be me sharing all the details on my hair. You guys probably see I'll be posting a makeup tutorial before I post this video. I'm just wearing some mini spring twists and I was wondering if I should start offering this. I really love it. The reason why I put this in was because I had it in my dreads and I started trimming, as I told you guys in the vlog. However, the dreads hold too much water. They drip dry, but they take too long to dry for me personally, especially when I go to the pool more than once a week. So I want something that is a little bit more fluent, not really fluent, but like a little bit more porous with the water, you know, allowing it to run through, you know, and not stay in. First, let me begin by saying this is not a tutorial. I will not be showing you guys how I install these. I'm just going to tell you guys all the details that you would need to know to put them in, because they're very basic. It's really easy for putting them in, like too easy, right? Before I get started, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Also, click that bell down below so you can get notified every time I put out a new video. Stay tuned.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so I'm wearing, of course, probably you guys could guess, a lot of persons actually think this is my real hair, but no, I just used the Afro Kinky bulk, this hair right here, to do some spring twists. Now I'm going to tell you guys the time it took, how long I've had it in so far, the colors that I have in, you know, all that stuff. If you're in Jamaica, a pack of this goes for like $8.50 to $9.50, probably up to $1,000 if you buy it somewhere expensive, for a pack, right? In my head, I have in 2.5 packs, almost 3 packs in total, right? And these are very, very small twists. They're very small in my opinion. The total time it probably took me to do this was maybe, if I was doing it consistently, probably about a whole, but if I were to do it by myself consistently, it would probably be 8 hours, probably 8 hours. But of course, if I do offer the service, I'll be doing it 2 persons in your head at once, so it'll probably take 3 the most. But yeah, so I have in basically 3 packs. I currently have in, let me take it down and show you guys. Let me show you guys how it looks. I know I wanted something very full and bouncy and just, you know, lively. I wanted something new. So that's why I went with this. And to get it to be the length, guys, they say this is 20 inches. To get it to be the length that I wanted it to be, like this length, I had to add at least 2 to 3 pieces on each twist. So when I finish twisting one, I plait another one and then twist it down. That's how I get it to be the length that it is. But I love it. I really, really love it. So in my head, I have color 1B, streaks of number 2, number 4, and M1B30, which is like a slightly brownish mixture. It's mixed with brown and black, honey blonde and black. And that's when I'm going for color, I like blonde tones. I'm not really a big fan of reds, even though I'm trying to change that. But yeah, I just wanted something that looked natural, of course, because you guys know that's what Natural Glam by Toya really is about. I want stuff that people have to guess twice about when they see it on you. They have to wonder, yo, are really fair on that, or you know. So that was the aim behind all of this. So once again, this isn't going to be a long video. I just wanted to share this with you guys and tell you guys about the style. So I do intend to keep this in for at least a month. Fingers crossed. I'm currently only almost 1 week. My hair is soft. When it has stuff in, it fuzzes up easily, especially with the swimming. But I will be washing this in there. I will be drying this in there, so it has to stay in for a month. All I'm going to be doing later on is showing you guys some ways how I style it when I do style it. But for the most part, all I do is keep it up in one like this. When I do put up that styling video, I am going to be linking it down in the description bar of this video, as well as in an iCard, if I remember to do that. Hopefully I do. But yeah, you guys will definitely see the video once your notification is turned on. But yeah, I don't know, I love it's just light, guys. It's really light. It's a lot of hair when you think about it, but it's really light. 1 pack of this does not really hold a lot. The hair comes in a palette like this, much like with the human version of this hair. It comes in a palette like this, and the hair is slightly coily. it's of course in a net. The hair is slightly coily. I'm trying to find the end of this goddamn net. Hold on. I'm just gonna tear it, to be honest. I don't know, I ain't got no patience for stuff like this. Okay, so they come in bundles like this, and the texture is very coily, so it's perfect for spring twists. Like these are the original spring twist hair, so just coily and kinky curly like. So when you twist it, it literally coils back up. So hence why me having to use 2 to 3 pieces to get the length that I got. And this hair, they say, is 20 inches, which is probably a lie, to be honest, but you know, that's how long one length of it is. So it comes in bundles. I did not count how many bundles come in the pack. I don't know, but as I said, babe, you guys know what my hair is like if you've seen previous videos of me styling my hair. It's pretty thick, and my head have size, so you know it does take hair to do my head, and I only used 2 packs and some after adding hair on it, you know. So yeah, that's it. That's really all I wanted to share. Keep up with my Instagram to see how I style these in the future, and I will be doing a full-on actual styling video, especially since the holidays are coming up. I'm going to be showing you guys some cute holiday hairstyles to do with spring twists. I think that's what I'm going to do. Definitely yes, girl. And I might just throw in a makeup tutorial with that, because you guys know how I do 2 for 1 all the time. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is it again. Very bouncy, full of life. I love it. But I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you guys do try the style, if you have tried this style, tell me down below how long you guys kept it in for and what you did to maintain it at night and stuff like that. For me, maintaining it at night, all I do is put it up into the pineapple with my scrunchie, and I sleep in my do-rag. That's how I maintain mine at night. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you. Can you hear me over him? Thanks guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.